Morning everyone, I'm Shailaja Muralidharan from Shailaja's Everyday South Indian Cooking. Today we are going to make Thinai Payasam. So let's see the ingredients for making it. I have jaggery. Here I have 3 pieces of jaggery, but I'll be using only the required amount. This is Thinai or Foxtail millet. So this I'll be giving at a grind in a mixie, not going to make into a powder, but then just giving one round. The preparation, I have taken 1 glass of water and added the foxtail millet or the thinai to it. You can also put it as such, but what I have done is I have just not made it into a powder, but just broken down it into very small pieces and I have added it to the boiling water. Now let it get cooked. Thinai is cooked. Now adding jaggery to it. And powder the jaggery a little bit. It will dissolve in this hot mixture. And now the payasam is turning a nice golden brown. Next we're gonna add 1 glass of milk to it. This is like 1 glass of boiled milk. Give it a mix. We should go into the payasam. Now we are adding cardamom powder to it, or elaka powder, getting a very good smell. Adding a little more. And this is what we'll be using for garnishing: cashews, raisins and coconut. Garnish, take a little ghee, add the coconut, let it get fried, and then add the cashew nut and raisins, fry them. Meanwhile here the golden brown Thinai Payasam is ready. It's of the correct consistency. Adding raisins. Millet varieties are very good for your health. I've already posted a video of making Thinai upma on my channel. This is the second recipe on Thinai, and this is a payasam or a dessert. The raisins are all nicely roasted. Now let us add the cashew nuts. This will give our payasam a very rich texture and look. We are adding the tempering to the payasam. For the garnish, the final garnish is done, and it has made the payasam look delicious and yummy. Wow, I'm getting a very good aroma, and I definitely drink a whole glass of payasam all by myself. So, wow, it's so healthy and can be drunk once in a week. Please do make this payasam. Let me know your comments. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Everyone, this is tasty Thinai Payasam from all of you. Here it is. A beautiful golden yellow color with all the garnishing of cashew nut, raisins and coconut, all fried in ghee, getting a very good aroma. It has got the right mix of ingredients which makes it so yummy, tasty and delicious. Please do make this recipe and let me know your comments. Thank you for watching.